Behind the smiling handshakes and trade deals lies a silent war. China is arming Pakistan, not out of love, but to trap India. With free weapons, drones, and funds, China wants India to stay distracted, fighting terrorists at the border while ignoring our superpower dream. But Bharat is not sleeping. We are awakening. The ancient wisdom of Chanakya teaches us, know the enemy's plan before he acts. So what must India do? Strengthen our defense with technology, not just bullets. Build alliances with nations like Japan, Taiwan, and the US. Dominate the Indian Ocean choke points. Invest in startups, science, and spiritual unity. Remember, the real war is not just with bombs. It is a war of distraction vs discipline. A united, focused, and self-reliant Bharat will rise. And when we rise, the world will not just watch. The world will follow. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.